Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do unboxing of Adidas sneakers that I've got lately, and I've got them on Adidas site. They came in box like so, and here is a box. So they came in this box. And let's open it. Yeah. So there's a tissue, and I've got Adidas Falcon. So I've got these ones, and they are nice sneakers. Let's see how they look. I've got this model, which is in size 9, and they looks like so. Guys, it looks like so. They have this nice sole, which is in three colors. Black, white, and this part is green. They are made from, here is some fabric, and here is the suede. I also have this mirror kind of insert here, and here we have Adidas logo, and also here in the back, and I have a tongue here. They say that some color migration are accurate. So yeah, this one are some cute grays. They will match many outfits, as this color is really versatile. And they were already almost sold out, only left like 2 sizes, but they keep coming back when people return. So if you want to grab them, then you can try, and they are a little bit on sale. But I also used coupon code from Honey browser extension, something like that, and it find codes for you, and I've got also additional 15% off. And I also signed up for Adidas rewards, and they also offer codes for shoes, sneakers. Okay, so I try them. video. Hope you enjoy such videos. If you do, then give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos, and I will do another unboxing of sneakers, and so you can check out my other videos. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.